Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report. First, let us look at how the market started. Today morning, I said 18,400 Nifty might take a support, and that support was broken. It was broken decisively, and it was way below what SGX Nifty indicated. So that was one surprise. Second surprise is that despite Nifty spot breaking 18,400, there was no unwinding in 18,500 put option. In fact, there was an addition of open interest. So that showed the bulls are very sure that the markets will recover. And what happens normally for the last few days, all that big drama happening either in the first half an hour or in the last half an hour. First half an hour or maybe 45 minutes, Nifty fell nearly 150 points and then shot up equally. And there was 250-300 point swing in just matter of first 30-45 minutes. And same thing in the last 30-45 minutes also, there was a significant recovery. There was some small sell-off around 130 when the European market opened. And European markets opened negative, and they've been trading negative even right now. But however, US futures have turned positive. And US markets have fallen significantly for the last 4 or 5 trading sessions. So it's likely to recover a little bit. Bank Nifty was up yesterday, that is Friday. Nifty was down, and same thing today also. Bank Nifty was up. Nifty was not down, but it was almost flat. Main reason, IT stocks are dragging. And today morning I mentioned IT stocks likely to drag, and that there's no big analysis required, because you saw Infosys, the ADR was down, Wipro ADR was down, and HCL came out with poor guidance, so it's naturally down. But however, I said HDFC twins may compensate on the higher side, and that is what exactly happened. Today HDFC was up, HDFC Bank was up, Reliance was also slightly higher. It's more or less, we can say consolidation, and surprisingly, India VIX, though it shot up in the morning, then after that it started going down slightly, and then option premiums have come down, and option premiums are so low nowadays. I really don't know, as an option seller, how people are going to survive. But problem is that, our good thing is that the lower premium becomes even lower. And last week I was trying to do some Fin Nifty short straddle. The premium was so little, but even that little premium has also gone even further little. So VIX is working in favor of option sellers as of now, and premiums are ultra low. I do not know. These kind of things are really not very good, especially ahead of bigger events in US. So tomorrow, consumer price inflation data, and day after tomorrow, Fed meeting. Today at 5:30, our Indian inflation data came. It came at 5.88%. People expected 6.4, but it came 5.88. And why this is very, very significant? That is because RBI's comfortable range is 2% to 6%. And now inflation has come within the RBI's target range. Going forward, Reserve Bank of India may not hike the interest rate. Even last time also, I don't think that RBI hiked the interest rate because of Indian inflation, because of US inflation. So probably they are worried that Indian rupee may depreciate. So probably that was the reason why they increased the interest rate. So now definitely the interest rate must have peaked in India, but we cannot say the same thing about US. So US, maybe we have to wait and see. Adani Enterprise did extremely well today. So I made about 28 lakh rupees profit today. Out of that, more than 50% profit has come from Adani Enterprise trade. So I think now once again I'm having some aggressive positions in Adani Enterprise. Other than that, PSU stocks have done well, and BHL has gone into trading ban. But despite that, BHL was higher, REC was good, PFC was good, and Bank of Baroda, I think today is a fresh 52-week high. The overall market sentiment, though it is jittery due to global cues, the bulls are still feeling that we are down but not out. So despite such a big correction, and Nifty was around 18,900 few days before. Now today it came and broke 18,400. So it is more than 500 point fall, but still the VIX is not increasing, option premiums are not shooting up, open interest is not reducing, in fact it is increasing. All this shows the confidence of the bulls. But anyway, one big negative news may be enough to shake the confidence of the bulls. Right now the bulls are happy, so I am also happy because you all know that I am also slightly bullish always. So let us see what happens in the next 2 days. Once next 2 days is over, then after that everything will settle down and the markets will go sideways. Stock specific we will discuss tomorrow morning, as I am rushing to my village due to some emergency. That's why I am recording this now. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.